Alright everybody, this is a poem. It's called The White Birds by W.B. Yeats. I would that I were, my beloved, white birds on the foam of the sea. We tire of the flame of the meteor before it can fade and flee, and the flame of the blue star of twilight hung low on the rim of the sky has awakened in our hearts, my beloved, a sadness that may not die. A weariness comes from those dreamers. Do dabble the lily and rose. Ah, dream not of them, my beloved, the flame of the meteor that goes, or the flame of the blue star that lingers hung low in the fall of the dew. For we were changed to white birds in the wandering foam, I and you. I am haunted by numberless islands, and many a Danaan shore, where time would surely forget us, and sorrow come near us no more. Soon, far from the rose and the lily, and fret of the flames we would be. We were only white birds, my beloved, buoyed out on the foam of the sea. I don't know why, I feel like I'm about to cry. Oh god. What the fuck happened? Maybe not, maybe not. That was weird. That was weird. I teared up a little bit there. Oh god. It's okay, I've cried a lot recently, I don't think it's that weird. Thank you, Linda, that was a really beautiful poem.